Hello, and welcome to another stream where I develop Tempus Chronicle. Sorry for being about 4 minutes late, but I had some stuff that I needed to take care of. Anyways, what was I doing? So today we're doing the inventory screen because in order to have an inventory system, well, I tried to make an inventory system to put stuff into the thing, but then there's this player dungeon inventory manager, and basically what it does is it takes some stuff from here and it has a maximum size, so you can't grind the dungeon forever. You eventually have to go back and stash your stuff. So currently it stores the item's address, which is basically a name, a tempering level, and a quantity as a struct, I think. I think it might be a class, but... And yeah, I wrote this whole item loading class. Hi, Hilly. Not this. And whole inventory manager that... yeah, loads all the item data and there. So the good part about this is, I go into this part in inventory entry. To store an item, you just need a string and 2 bytes. It's extremely slim, which is good because I think it might be overkill, honestly, because the save file is something like a quarter of the size of one of the portrait sprites for one of the characters. So I've also been working on the inventory screen here. This is just still a work in progress. So I'm not expecting the player to have like 40 at a time and have to use this whole pagination thing. Although I spent about a whole hour trying to get this description here working. So yeah, it scrolls if it scrolls instead of just overflows. So that's probably something I can probably, you know, this is all one script, so I can just take this out and then plonk it in any other game. That programmer art, yep. Yeah, I mean, it conveys what's going on, so it's good enough for now. And, yeah, that's about as far as I've got. I still need to have the player's actual stash, not the inventory that they take into the dungeon, but their actual stashed inventory. Kind of like in RuneScape, it's the difference between your inventory and the bank. So the stash would be like what's banked, and your your dungeon inventory is, well, your inventory. So I'll take the low-hanging fruit first and make this back button actually do something. Form follows function, you can always put it up like that. Yeah, that's true. Back button. Button has 2 T's, not 3. Where's this? Here it is, the button on click. I think it's this game object. Show main menu. So if I click this, it goes, and if I click this again, and yep. Thing is, though, is that this scrolling happens anyway, so we need a sort of not an on enable. Actually, I think I might have done this wrong, because currently what happens is we get rid of and show and hide canvases instead of, and I think I might need to instead disable the game objects themselves, but I don't know. So yeah, this is the one really early version of the status screen. You can see I've got the old portraits here, and I think I've only done the skills thing. So yeah, this needs to be redesigned fully. But yeah, we've got the inventory now, and I think this looks a bit better, but it's not perfect. So yeah, these buttons are supposed to be page forward and page back, but I haven't got the actual stash to populate yet. I think I wrote oh, what is it? I've written oh yeah, what, I've completely forgotten what I was going to say. Ah yes, the actual population of it. So we've got a script here saying staging area embark screen, so we need a staging area inventory screen. Scripts. New staging area inventory screen. And there needs to be something like a sort of on canvas enable. No, I don't want UI inventory tab. That's not the script I want. This one. Okay. Needs to compile first. Right, let's get started with this then. So just move the mic a bit. Oof. And I also want to have a look at the load save operations. Put these on another. So I want to take a look at read player stash inventory. That's the method that I want. So we're not going to serialize this. Private player inventory, player stash. And then we need to sort of work out a way of transferring from one inventory to another. Which means that which means that we'll probably need some more tab here. One for party status, and one for the actual bag. We'll get a reference to the player, party, player dungeon inventory manager, player, bag. And then we can transfer between them based on this. Which makes it so that the game saves whenever you go into the dungeon and when you come out of the dungeon. I reckon that's... And then you can manually save whenever. But yeah, autosaves would be in and out. Maybe if you manual save, it will automatically update the autosave as well. Or if you move floors, then it should also save as well, because then you have like a loading screen you can do the save operation behind. I don't know. I think we'll have to. I think we'll come to actual decision, way further on down the line once we're, talking about performance and all that. Let's see. Private. Okay, so void start. Player stash equals save operations dot read player stash inventory 0. Then populate player bag equals player inventory. Oh, that's not a that's not a singleton. Okay. Yeah, there should only be one player inventory manager. Just do that. I could also find any object by type on here, but this is easier, I suppose. Populate. Doing the method. Okay, so serialize field. To compile, but it's just doing that anyway. UI inventory item list, and then have a paged item list that shows the list. Primate, transform, array, item, parents. I think I might be able to do it all here. Although I won't be able to reuse it if I want to get the inventory screen. No. Item lists. So we need the amount of items we need the amount of items we have. Then for items the problem is that each page is its own game object. I just want to do this because, with all due respect, screw the grid layout in Unity. So, what we've got is that we've got two sets of item lists. And so item lists are total, no, items per page equals item lists dot sum x dot item capacity. I'm going to have to generate all of these. I know this is a link and link is slow, but we're only doing one or two item lists anyway, so yeah, it's not going to be slow in the grand scheme of things. Although I could probably just it's written anyway. If I need to optimize, I'll optimize further on down the line. So I have the item count, items per page.
Yeah.
But then how do I know which item list to put them in? Are items processed equals 0? If I is less than item count, then populate that. Else, I could use array segments. No, I don't.
Yeah.
No, I don't want to do this. Bar current item list index equals 0. Then then we also need a var current item list limit. Item lists 0 dot item capacity. If I is greater than or equal to current item list limit, IDX plus plus current items limit plus equals item lists I dot item capacity. Wait, hang on, int page. I populate with 0. And no, don't bloody build. Go away. No, I don't want to. Why is the 0 key so close to the F11 key? If I if current item list IDX is equal to item list dot then return, because we've run out of items to hold it. I need to go to another page. Go to another page. Wait, I'm on PC. Why can't I just have a scroll list? Oh. Why can't I just have them as scrolls? There's a scrolling. Then we'll still have the... Oh, I know, it's because we have to make so many game objects. Well. We don't do these things because they're easy, I suppose. Else. Then item lists I bar previous item list equal 0. of course, the only way I'm really going to be able to test this is if I have a inventory with tons of items. This current thing, it's very Disgaea. You know, it's working on the assumption that you're going to have like 20 different items of the same thing. So, oh well, we'll get something working and then we'll change it if we have to further on down the line. I mean, we are only, what, coming into the 3rd month of development? Well, in earnest development. Item lists I got. I keep needing to put some WD-40 on my bloody microphone stand, but oh well. I've said that a lot already. We need to get around to doing it. .populate. This will be I minus previous item limit. Populate with item, not item lists. Player stash dot get item at get item data at I. Else item lists I minus previous item list limit dot game object set active false, and then here we'll set it to true. Okay. Right, let's make these classes a reality. On a behavior script, so this is a UI inventory item list. Property item count, so this is on player inventory. Item count will just be entries.length. Property item cost is not it's an int. It'll be transform.child count. Populate. Oh wait. So an object, this is going to be item data. Or rather, we can only load item data asynchronously. So return get item data entries i.item address. And this, if it's already loaded, it returns, but if it doesn't, it just awaits. So, it might be that... No, because this is all going to be done on the first frame, which is going to be behind a loading screen. So... Yay? Yeah, because this returns a task, so we need to await them and then bar load item tasks. No, we're going to need to load. Hash set of item addresses to load, and then we load all of them just so that they're ready to be populated. So yeah, yeah, item data out of this, but so we can only get this asynchronously, but this population needs to be done synchronously. So we need a dictionary of string to item data loaded items. But no, the loaded items are going to be in the item loader. Oh well, if we run into memory issues, we run into memory issues, and we can fix them. But there's no way to get stuff from the item loader in a synchronous manner. So we have to load all of them and then populate. If only there was a way to sort of bind stuff to a promise, like we can do that in JavaScript, but and then populate when they're done, but don't think you can do that. Loaded items. But no, we need to keep a reference to the item's address anyways, because when we get rid of this, we need to unload or dereference all the items that we've loaded, because we're getting rid of the we don't need the player stash anymore. So yeah, this will probably have to do it. And then something like void on destroy breach bar kv in loaded items kv dot dereference. No, it's item var item loader equals item data loader dot instance item loader dot dereference item data kv dot key false, because this is going to be a batch operation. And then finally item loader dot release unused items. IST reference item data, yeah, minus minus. I'm also going to if debug and if kv.value.refCount is less than 0, then something's wrong. Debug.logError. kv.key has less than 0 references. Because I only want this to check to happen in debug builds. If it somehow gets it to release, then yeah. Which is probably I should have done that for a lot of other stuff, but oh well. One of those things where yeah, like BGM is playing, yeah, that's correct. Okay. So this, instead of player stash.get item data at, it would be loaded items, player stash.get item entry. So it won't be loaded items, it'd be get item entry at, but that entry at has a address and not a thing, so running in is the same thing as before. Entry equals this. Then populate it with loaded items, entry dot item address, comma, entry dot tempering level, entry dot quantity. Generate this method here. And this we can just return entries. Fine. Right, and then we populate this item's processed. Private void load. Sorry, async void load stash items. Can you make start async in Unity? Unity async start. async await support, manual and overview, yield, normal yield, greater second yield, blah 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 blah, update, blah 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 blah, async versus coroutines, be careful when using it with start. Yes, freezing to doing terms. That's a pretty serious drawback. So that's your own loops like that. If there was a set active false on the game object, the coroutine died. Unity async start. Okay, it says here you can do it. Okay, that's good to know. Even though I'll probably forget it come the next stream. So async void load stash items. So this would be await load stash items. Should be a unitask as well. Right, and then bar tasks equals new list of unitask item data. While now. So addresses equals new list of strings. It's not a list, it's a hash set. For for loop item lists, not item lists, player stash dot item count. Addresses dot add player stash dot get item entry at I dot item address bar load tasks equals new task item data of addresses.count. But then how am I going to map them to addresses AR equals address.toArray So the reason why we can't set this as an array at the start is because there might be, in the player stash, there might be some items that share the same address. So if you've got a iron sword and an iron sword +1, the item data is going to have the same address, but the entry would have a separate tempering level. So that's the reason why we can't just make an address. We have to go via a hash set first. For .length, addresses array I. So this is going to be the string. Load tasks I equals item loader equals item data loader dot instance item loader dot get item load item data from this address. Then await unitask.when all load tasks. Then we can populate the arrays. So loading items, we're going to initialize as a new dictionary. Finally, addresses are item loader, no, not item loader, loaded items add, yes, add. This is our I, comma, load tasks I dot results. No. Shit, how did I know I ran into this problem a few hours ago. How did I? Here. Aha. Bar item datas equals await this when all load item data. Then instead of load task, it's item datas. If item load tasks dot load tasks I dot status equals faulted? No, succeeded. Else debug loading addresses are fine. Failed, comma. Is there a way to get an error message from load tasks? Load tasks I dot equals preserve as unitask. Preserve status. No, there's no way to get an error message. Oh well, we'll just put status in. It's probably all good, just going to say faulted, but so again, now the items add there. So we've awaited when loading all of those, so they all get loaded very asynchronously, and then they get populated synchronously, but kind of have to because we're plonking loaded items in here. So see if this works. Find UI inventory item list. Yeah. Then under content, no item. Page 0, page 4. And then we need to do filtering for full, all weapons, armor, accessories, that sort of thing. If player stash is not null, I wonder if I've got the item loader to actually load skills. Maybe make it a generic and then go from there. Loaded items. Because this current read player stash inventory is going to be null because there is no inventory to put in, which means that I'm going to need to, in debug save, going to have to populate an inventory. Which means this is all serializable, so I can just put in public player inventory player stash. Public player inventory. Player bag. Right, so that means that I do need to delete the previous debug save and then put it in a new one. Tempus Chronicle saved. Get rid of auto and 42 while we're at it. Okay. So go to our new not prefab script, but that's got to look at new game. We've got our player stash right here, so entries. I'm just gonna put in 3, okay, 4 the entries. So, test weapon, temporary level 0, quantity 1, test it in, temporary level 1, quantity 1, quantity 2 actually, temporary level plus 2, quantity 1, player bag's going to be empty anyway, so that's fine. Okay. Okay, so nothing's happened. Except the, yeah, here we go, also the save hasn't, oh, it's this. Actually, no, we don't need this. We just need to save the game when we get rid of the whatchamacallit. So we just have the floor maps in, but nothing else. Okay. Just give me a sec, just need to take care of something. Okay, so now we have okay, so close this. We can go into here, save.json. I open up this file here. I don't know why I'm dragging it onto the monitor, you're not going to be able to see it anyways. So the player stash has the entries on them, playbacks has no entries, okay. So it's saving alright. And if I play this again, it doesn't populate. It doesn't even give me an error. Okay. Oh no, if player stash equals await load stash items. Okay, attach this to Unity. Alright. Okay, here we go. So if player stash is not null, but it is null. That's because the stash in the inventory is its own file. Yeah, read player stash inventory. Yeah, because I put this as its own. The inventory was going to be saved as its own file, but there's no need to because the current folder. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. So instead of this, it would be save game manager dot instance dot get player get player stash. There's no way to update the stash. Every time I update the stash, I'm going to have to save the game. Oh well. Return loaded game dot player stash. Return loaded game player stash, yeah. Loaded game and generated for branch and depth. Create save, yeah, leave this. Okay, now let's try it. Token version is not matched, cannot await twice or get status after await. Staging area inventory screen line 58. If noticed, cannot get status after a wait. Why not? Okay, that's really weird. Okay, so it's just no error checking then. You just have to load them in and just pray that they work. Not implemented properly. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Transform dot. Need to give it an index as well. This will be no, this is the item dot. Disable item, disable list item. So this is current item list index. Disable list item I minus previous item list limit. Wait, this is enabled. Actually, we don't need to do this because if we're populating it, we'll be. Actually, no, we'll leave that. Current item list IDX. And no, this one says limit. Okay. Transform.get child v dot game object dot set active true, and for disable we'll just change the true to a false, and we'll rename this from V to IDX so we know what's going on. Future me knows what's going on. Okay, transform.getChildIDX. This is not the best way of doing it, but it works. Get components. UI inventory item list element. Dot populate Item data, temporary level quantity. Okay, so we need to create this script. Inventory list item list element. And then in here your inventory item. Not a tab. Won't compile. Of course it won't. Okay. Serialized field. Running a bit slow, it's running a bit slow. Oh well. Private. Image. Item icon. Using Unity Engine UI. Serialized field. Private. Text Pro. GUI. Item name. Item enhance level. Item quantity. Item icon equals item data dot item icon. Oh, I didn't put the item icon in. The item data struct. Oh well, we can do that later. Item name equals item data dot item name. Item enhance level equals dot text. Dot sprite. Temporary level. What do I call it? Equals 0? Question mark? If it equals 0, then nothing. Otherwise, plus temporary level. Item quantity dot text equals quantity equals 1 question mark. Times quantity. get private set. And this is a excuse me, scriptable object, so don't need to worry about saving the icon. Or if we go back up into here and wait for Unity to do its thing. Scriptable objects, items, equipment, test one. Yeah, I need to solve these folders or whatever you want to call them. Fortunately, I have the sword item. Where I compiled it, I've got to have this. Item list element. I really should have rebooted before the stream. That's a name, that's an enhanced level. Okay, so we do have our test weapons, ×3, +1, +2 and all that. However, these debug swords need to be hidden. I think I know why. Imax equals math dot max item count items per page. This is max. Oh, I'm also going to have a that's alright. Transform child out of bounds. So you can see here the +1 and the x3 are overlapping each other, which implies that these aren't of a set size. So we'll do that then. Preferred size. So here we have, we'll add a layout element. Add a preferred width. This one. We'll put this as 50 and this as 50 as well, why not? Okay, that spaces them out a bit more. Yeah. And yeah, if we're at the start page, then this should be hidden, and if we're at the end page, this should be hidden as well. So transform shard out of bound. If I is less than item count, oh right, of course. Okay, now let's try it. Nope. Still an out of range exception. Line 85. Of course. Okay, now let's try it. There we go. Of course, all of the pages have gone on here. Yeah, I don't want this to take up the whole thing, so we need to put layout elements on here. Give them a flexible width. As you can see, it's still past the halfway stage, halfway point. Just use that, and yeah. I need to make it so that these things here are in the same spot. So flexible width is working. I could have them as fixed width, but I don't know. make a layout element on here. Hi, Aaron. Yeah, nothing much is up. Just trying to get this thing to display properly when there's only 3 or so items here. I do data science stuff. Not as much as I'd like. Most of it's game dev, but yeah, I do data science stuff from time to time. Although, like I said, I haven't done anything in months. You know, on data science field. I want to get back into it, to be honest. Trying to build your profile to shelf data science stuff. Oh, okay. You don't have the game dev side. I'll have to try that. What on earth is going to be causing this? I mean, I could just leave it as it is, but... Only other thing would be to, instead of disabling it, have at least one in there, but have it invisible. Of course, this UI package of Unity is technically obsolete. You're supposed to use UI elements now, but I took one look and it says, "Oh, UXML." Nope. I am not working with XML. Thank you. But yeah, one thing I tried to do is a machine learning project based on working out when a given streamer laughs or says a catchphrase. And I got as far as getting the spectrograms of certain stream audio. I managed to get it so that they could detect voices, yeah, when someone's speaking with about 95% or so accuracy. Then it was having to label that data that I just created, and I mean, you know your data science. Labeling data is just so bloody tedious, I just kind of lost appetite to try it. I want to pick it back up. And then, you know, probably label the data to say, yes, this is the laugh, this is the streamer's catchphrase, or this is just them talking in whatever language. So what on earth could be causing this? I just disabled all of these. That makes these... No, not... You'd think if they have flexible width the same, then they'd have the same thing, but then I got rid of this. Oh no, that's not gonna work. Thing is, I need this spacer here because you can only align stuff to the this. You can only align them to one side or one corner. So you can't. Well, you can, but you just have to put a spacer with flexible width here. And I think that's what's causing the width to be off. One other thing I could do is hard code the width, but that's going to make it so that if I support multiple resolutions. It's not going to be able to support them. Unless... if I made... item container... I got rid of the layout elements on here. And then this item container will put a layout element here. Have this a flexible width 1. And this we align to. Instead of the width, we have X max of 0.5, right of 8. No, this, no, wait, this needs to be 0.5 on. And left 8, right 16. Actually, don't need to do it because that's been put into there, and then on page 0, please work. Hey! I think that's done it. Okay, and then we just need to set the height to... left 0, right 8. So if I play it... Hey, it works! I suppose if we wanted to be really fancy, I would have populated them blip, 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 blip. I think this way's fine. Okay, let's work out whether we need to put these in or not. Or I could just have a scroll view of all of these. Oh yeah, I also want to... Oh. What's the tab working? Okay, toggle on this on there and click this. Oh, come on. We've got the is on thing right here. have a group on there. No, it's not shown. None, maybe? So this toggle on is supposed to be the check mark, but Alright, let's go to this UI inventory tab. Oh, right. Serialized field, private, color, image color off, image color on. Easy toggle group. No way to get the selected one. When using the group, reference the group from a toggle. Only one member of a group can be active over time. There's no way to get the selected one though. Transition, no transition. No, we'll have it as the policy. Image color off, this one. Image color on, this one. I'm going to apply these to the prefab. Oh, it's the image, not the background. Shit. Okay, background. Color off. Background color on. Then, hang on, we'll open up this prefab here just so I can change everything. This toggle on. Yeah, we ignore layout on that, that's fine. I don't get it. So if we click on for this one in the prefab thing, it works perfectly. But if I go into scene, it doesn't. I'm a complete freaking moron, aren't I? Okay. There we go. So I don't need to do any of this. Okay, fine. This background color off and on we will get rid of. Um, right. So this toggle on. We need to this rect transform revert. And the same with all of these. I don't know how they managed to get set. Okay, all of these. Rect transform. Whatever. Revert. 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 Armor shouldn't be on. All should be on. To begin with. Get back on here. There we go. There, that works fine. Okay. Okay, yes, that's sorted. We've got 10 minutes. Well, I don't know, do I want to go for another hour? Yeah, alright, let's till it works, I suppose. So we've done the things. We'll do filtering another time because that looks to be pretty advanced. Plus I need to actually log the. Well, I suppose I could. No. We'll leave this for the time being. Maybe instead of these big old. Where am I? These big old buttons here. If we got rid of those, and then yeah, it's item container. That's fine. Instead of this, which have page display, text. We copy this component and pasted it here. No, that's worse. Okay, get rid of this. Get rid of this layout element. Well, Actually, no, we'll need... No, keep the layout element. Min height of 50. Yeah, that'll do. Text is fine, kind of. But this needs a horizontal layout group. Middle center, do not expand anything but do control width and height. Then if I put in a button, scroll, no, page forward button. Okay, force expand on height. Okay, maybe not. Preferred height 50. Nope. This should be a glyph. Okay, I think I'm gonna need to put in a layout element that gives bigger preferred width and height. 50 by 50. E. Nah, it looks a bit big compared to everything else. I'm going to call this page back button. My posture check. My arse is aching. Yeah, my butt cheeks have been in the same position for God knows how long, and oh. Have a bit of a stretch. Q. No, these are way too big. We don't need a new chair. Yeah, the leather's coming off mine. Well, I say leather, it's fake leather, but coming off. My lower back that's giving me ills. Right, staging area inventory screen, so I've populated it on there. Int I equals items per page multiplied by page. It's not IMAX, it'll be items per page multiplied by page plus 1. By the way, hi GTF. Glad you could make it. Okay, code made this. That's fine. Serialize field. Private. Button. No, not capital B button. Page back. Serialize field product button, page forward button. Then page back button dot set game active game object set active page does not equal 0. Show page forward button equals true. If we need to disable any list items, that means we've reached the end of the list. So show page forward button equals false. And then finally page forward button game object set active show page forward button. So if I'm right, both of these will be fixed. Of course, I haven't set them in the. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Never learn. While we're here, seamless private text mesh pro new GUI. Displayed text equals page current page plus 1 divided by max page. Oops. Max page equals item count divided by items per page plus 1. if page is greater than or equal to max page, no, if it's greater than max page, return. You don't want to go over. Except then if we mash the E key, it'll do all these calculations the same way, so I don't know. And it's not going to work because I forgot to set this out. Call this page display text. It should say page 1 of 1. Test weapon by 3 by 3 by 3. Right, that's that actually looks pretty good. Obviously we need to populate the actual the primary point here. Actually, you know what? I might want to put the actual tabs. We can copy this characters on here. Here. Oh, where's that? No spacing, so what's causing this? Items, tabs, height 50, height 50, but this one's already been set. Ah, there we go. Okay, now it's worse. Mine's Jumbo, that's good. Okay, that's not what we want. Okay, let's just make things worse. There we go, okay. So... Oh, it's because the child alignment's wrong. No, wait. No, that's not it. Look at this! Look at this! It's hell for OCD people like me. I think we are going to have to do... Okay, control width and height, but don't force expand. And content. Horizontal outgroup, force. Control width and height. Control... Okay, don't force expand. Okay, do force expand, but do control height. Okay, and then this. Alignment upper center. There we go. And now let's go to height to 60, which is. There we go. 50 on there. Then this Plenco display. Add a layout element. Add height 100. That's good enough for me. Add to prefab. And there we go. Back to all of these, we just need to status in the bag. Okay, I'll probably get to half past. I'm currently fresh out of caffeine. So this character's tab will have a new one. Content. these here. This content. Now elements flexible with height even on, and the characters there have a vertical layout group. Control width, don't control height, but yeah, just then status and then we also might need set presets for the bag. But we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. The text here is the status bag. Instead of characters here, we'll call it right panel, because I can't think of anything better to put. Oh, and image. So we need to find an image that represents status. Escort will keep the template bag, and then sure I have an icon for bags. I have one for a chest, and not one for an actual go-go pouch. And then also for status, we have the hearts. Yeah, there. Status. We'll do the bag status and then finish but yeah, if I start later, probably going to stream shorter. I know, probably need to get my sleep pattern sorted, so yeah, I think I quite like this later start time. Just get some UI inventory items on here. Get them there. And leave here. There. Oh, I only need 10 of them. Vertical layout group. Don't force expand on spacing 8. And then we'll upper center. We do need to force control width. There we go. Need to make sure, however, that the stuff that's in the bag, only consumables are allowed to be put in there. Or maybe nah, just let consumables be in, and then if the playtesters say, "Hey, I really need to take equipment into the bag because I need to take this spec that specifically hard counters this one boss," then yeah, we can do that. So back stays there. Okay. Serialized field, private, game object, character status. Having sidearms is indeed common practice in general. Yeah, maybe. One lands next to Sword of the Sword swap to an axe to fight echoes and bosses. Oh, okay. So there is a use case. Show character. status. Character status dot set game object set active true. Bag status dot game object dot set active to false. Bag status. Bag status dot game object dot set active to false. Status not code status. Bag status dot game object dot set active to true. The tabs. Yeah, it's all good. I'm going to call this right panel tabs. And this, yeah, right panel tabs, that tab group's on there. There's a sword skills running for clean trash from someone with the single focus crutch if there's an axe only skill. Yeah, but then you'd have to spread their skill points. Wouldn't you? Ah, it's been a while since I played EO1. Maybe the Landsnecks, you know, has such a dearth of viable skills that you can do that. Put one into one, like put a couple into two weapons at the same time. Status bag, yeah, and then I want to make it so when you click bag it says show character status or show bag status. Not much to spend them on back in one. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, so instead of this, it would be on character status toggle change state changed boolean new state, and if new state do this. Same with this. Yeah, I used debug sword because that's the one that I used in the that's the name that of the weapon I used in Tactical Elysium Project. However, the actual debug sword in this game is called Test Weapon. So yeah, these are all wrong. But oh well, it's just a placeholder name. Yeah, see a test weapon. You know, when they first fall to and just beeline or slash and crush is very good. Axe skill too, yeah. Just bonus damage against insect. It debugs. Yeah, I actually in the Tactical Elysium project, I did put that exact same joke in the items flavor text. Right, so now the on value changed would be inventory, staging area, inventory screen. Oh, they're private, that's why. Public and public. Yeah, I don't want to put references to a toggle here because it's getting a bit cluttered as it is. Status on here. Where's the toggle? Here we go. Inventory. On character status toggle changed. And this one. Inventory. Here is show back status. It's on back status toggle changed. So this is going to come up and say, oh, it's missing a method. I don't know. Yep. Yes, on back status toggle changed. That's good. Hi Dylan. Yeah, unfortunately, you caught me just as I was about to end the stream. I've got to a part where it said, so what I've done today is that I've managed to get the player's inventory working. So you can see here we've got some test weapons showing up. We have an item scrolling item description. We have bags that don't work. So yeah, we'll get this thing working and then we'll call the stream then. So character status is not been set, so that's an easy fix. But yeah, I've started streaming a bit later, but I just need my I just need to get my sleeping pattern, you know, to adjust to the new schedule. Otherwise it's been a while, and then I've got that project that I was telling you about, like way back. That project that I was thinking about way back, that's finally dumbed down. Not dumbed down, what's the word? Why is this not clicking? Oh, okay. I think I've probably put bag status as both of them. Nope, no I haven't. If new state, character status set active false, bag status set active true. But yeah, hopefully, in about a week or so, I'll be streaming until 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock my time, so that'll be... Well, it says it's 4:30 in New York, so about 5:30 in New York. I know you're from the time zone in the middle, but you can convert based on your own. Yeah, I'll leave that as an exercise to the watcher. So if I click on there, but if I click back, it doesn't... If I click this, nothing happens. Status on here. Staging area inventory on character status toggle changed. There we go. Okay, so that's all fixed. Everything shows, but now we need to actually go back to what I was doing in the previous stream, which was making the chests give the player items. Which means this Player Dungeon Inventory Manager needs to have a limit on entries, which is probably going to be the length of this array. And then in the actual main menu, you can purchase upgrades to the bag size, amongst other things. So, yeah, you can tell I've been talking for a bit too long. So that'll do it for this stream. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you soon. Ta-ra for now.